Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Putuni Vedita Ruspanati. It's student number 19130111043. I am from 3D Mathematics Education. Today I want to talk about quadratic equation. Enjoy! So next is the name of quadratic. It comes from the word quad. That means square. Because the variable gets squared like x to the power of 2 or x squared. It's also called as equation of degree 2 because of the 2 on the x. So next we are going to talk about standard form. And the standard form of a quadratic equation looks like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And a, b, and c are known values. E can be 0. Meanwhile, x is the variable or unknown. So we don't know it yet, or we don't know what is the x. So next we are going to the examples. First, knowing the difference between a, b, and c. Example number 1. 3x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. In this one, a is 3, b is 5, and c is 6. The second example is x squared minus 2x equals to 0. In this one, a little more tricky. Where is a? Well, a is 1. Here, this one. As we don't usually write 1x squared. And b is 2. And where is c? Well, c is 0. So, it's not shown. And the third is 7x minus 3 equals to 0. This one is not a quadratic equation. It's missing x squared, or in other words, a equals to 0, which means it can be quadratic. So now we are going to the hidden quadratic equation. So first, in this case, x squared equals to 3x negative 1. And we add negative 3x plus 1 to the both sides. So in standard form, it becomes x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So the a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is 1. And the second example is 2 times in brackets w squared minus 2w equals to 5. So we expand or undo the brackets and add negative 5 to the both sides. So in standard form, it becomes 2w squared minus 4w minus 5 equals to 0. And the a is 2, b is negative 4, and c is negative 5. So next we are going to the last example. So it's c multiplied by, in brackets, c negative 1 equals to 3. So we expand and add negative 3 to the both sides, and it becomes c squared minus b minus 3 equals to 0. And the a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 3. So for learning about the material, now we are going to the example. So solve the 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. And the coefficients are a is 5, b is 6, and c is 1. So the quadratic formula is x equals to quadratic b plus minus the roots of b squared minus 4ac and divided by 2a. So we put a, b, and c to the quadratic formulas. So it becomes x equals to negative 6 plus minus the roots of 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times 1 and divided by 2 times 5. So the solve becomes to x equals to negative 6 plus minus the roots of 66 negative 20 divided by 10. So x equals to negative 6 plus minus the roots of 16 and divided by 10. So it becomes to x equals to negative 6 plus minus 4 and divided by 10. So x equals to negative 0.2 or negative 1. And the answer is x equals to negative 0.2 or x equals to negative 1.
Now we have solved the x points. There are negative 0.2 and negative 1. So we can draw the graphic. Here is negative 1 and here is negative 0.2. Also the graphic will be like this. So after we have known about the x points, so now we must prove the points. If they full of the equation 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. So the first one, we must check about the point negative 0.2. So we replace the x with negative 0.2. It becomes 5 times negative 0.2 squared plus 6 times negative 0.2 plus 1. And it becomes to 5 times 0.04 plus 6 times negative 0.2 plus 1. And it becomes 0.2 minus 1.2 plus 1. And it equals to 0. So it's proof. And then the second one, we must check the points negative 1. So we replace the x with negative 1. And it becomes to 5 times negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 plus 1. So it becomes to 5 times 1 plus 6 times negative 1 plus 1. And it becomes to 5 negative 6 plus 1. So the answer is 0. So it's proof.
Maybe in these days, everyone is asking and questioning what exactly the application of quadratic function in everyday life. It turns out that we often encounter curves from quadratic functions. The quadratic function curve is very popular because of its symmetrical shape and similar to a parabola. Architecture that has a curved symmetrical shape, such as a bridge pole, is also built based on the quadratical function formula. The quadratical function can also be used to solve problems related to projectiles because the curve also resembles the trajectory of a falling object. We can calculate the highest peak of the object to be thrown off the velocity of the ball on the parabola's trajectory with the quadratic function equation.
And also the application of the concept of quadratic equation is often encouraged in everyday life. And for example, this is a tactic that we might apply. In a soccer match, the trajectory of the ball which is inflated due to kick of the players satisfies that the parabolic shape quadratic function graph equation. If there are 3 points where the ball has not been kicked, or in point 0.0, the point when the ball is in the highest position is in the point x1, point y1. And the point when the ball hits the ground is the point x2, point 0. Then the quadratic function, the form y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c from the path can be determined. And then the last is the motion of an object can oppose in application of quadratic equation in everyday life. The motion of an object can be formulated with the formula s equals to negative 5t squared plus 50 plus k. H is the height of the object in meters, t is the time in seconds, and v is the initial velocity in meters per second. This constant k represents the initial height to the object from the ground.
Okay, so that's all about this material about quadratic equation today. Thank you so much for your attention and for watching. I hope this material will bring a motive and a lesson for doing some life activities. material will be so useful in our life if you use it well and wisely. Of course, you must learn more, and not only from this video, but can be many more. And also, good luck for your study. See you on my next video. Don't forget, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.